Tripoli ekiona na Kumasi Technical University.
That is it.
Park kese na da ho na nkwara na boss ball.
Yes. Until I'm sure say no free edu.
Okay.
0244 580 344.
Okay.
The 25th this month, you know, you have ewura afenum because the Hebrew calendar. The 14th a Passover.
Okay. Come on fashion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Hebrew for. Until you follow the rules of the Creator.
Okay.
Until fene ye ko share wa mo. Now guidelines be also mo faso. Ne du wura o du wura afenum no. O mo ye ho adwuma.
Okay.
Ye ni agro.
Ye ni abre. Maka nyore o so ba.
2 messages.
What is that sorry that? Crofo bi no mu free sro ba fo.
Yeah, wa nyama dwuma.
Ba ko ni de adwuma dia was maka nyore o so bang berebete. Ye ba se ba ye dwuma se amase bi dia bro. Okay.
I don't know ka so bi abo no za. Ana you know dey na na. Yeah, o be ma mi nya na kwada o.
Dinga mama.
Entino ayana information ba. Information television so.
Sir.
Yeah, the my core members.
Sir. Come na agye.
That is it. They are the followers of the Hebrew Messianic message.
Yes.
Even Yeshua buy no. Or see Israel nko ma yira ntam Yeshua me buy.
Tino nya asem na omo no de mo.
That is it. O se unu abo asomo a so ba kono ma no. Wan kan che wiase o. O ka kire ne nkofo no mu di na che no. So we are fighting against the Pharisees. They the people no crowd abisi wono mo. Until 4th April we will come ase.
Okay.
Guidelines. Between their face the holy Passover.
Okay. And we are doing prepare.
Yes. Tell me kono.
Okay.
I don't care. Me say come na so bi na mom na afofo begbe no anu aba.
Sir.
So timeti na me bi ase. To wasefo nyina beba.
Okay.
Ejumafo nyina beba.
Okay.
Na ayakama na ewura afen ma wie no na fide instructions are free penny hono.
Okay.
Na to me follow. Akwa say dey ebeto omodo traba yi na dey do eastern region. Ho na course no so free a eba.
Okay.
Region bia bi do bia no me na maso na ebu yi. Na nkrimofo frɛ, ekusofo frɛ, na samu asofo ko. O say o muntu mi kan hwe o. O so sorry a o mo na mokɔ. Ye kɔ ye card no, ye kɔ ye sei. Etiro ya ebeto aso.
Okay.
Say na medical kan wie no. I know my amanfo hu reps no mess no so na be able to me.
And what to do one one.
Good. Cape Coast for no omuntu ombo ase.
Okay.
Enche bia e sha afa na se a.
Omo gina twetan.
E ba ho. E be nya obi gina ho ama wo mo.
Okay.
Nto obi pamcho bibiri sa Cape Coast for no. E na ndo no Odinga don e short way di break omo advert no.
Okay.
See ade. Se wonni sika ba ye no bibiri ba e boda wuru wa
ha.
Until Ghana fountain ye into the Ghana yanka ho asem bi because na short amafo nya bi nto ana atamide na eba afi de ebi aba ene ne ho duro nyina Hyper Plus no eye yaw ene fro yele bi say kidney say liver.
Yes.
Say ya if you do say machine say dialysis na omodo ekoto so omodo to so pepe aya unyankwa
emiemia wa ne jankwa
na jankwa na ukọ na draw we say eboa
Hyper Plus.
Yeah. Enipa di a ene chemicals from body na mwie ma yeso no fu nyina no yaw ene kokolebu a enipa obugu sa machines no so no a week bia no otua 15 million a week you 1,500 Ghana cedis.
Tiboso no.
Yeah.
Pima du isia.
Me tell woman say we study out to me 3,000 for the week no. Only study about that me no pay 15 million.
Yeah, jaw kwan.
No say na to me here about homato say enye assurance homato between wa kwachi kakra. Asa no wu.
Eso na 10 cedis o.
Meno numbi.
Ebe save.
Meno numbi.
Hyper Plus.
Yes.
Okay.
Eboa any Pavis and plasma no.
The malaria show no.
Edro.
Ho den papa.
Edro. Yeah.
Say malaria pa tetel. Na onya Pavis and plasma so say anko.
Yeah.
Anya bi na akoto ye no.
Yeah, we have something called Thanksgiving offering.
Okay.
Ya catch your call for no.
And I see for there.
Yes. Afuna ya kwere ye o. biblically yakona we ye enye Christopher de no
omo mboso no miensam
that is it ni abrofo de on ma wo mo afena Hebrew ni bia no se afena we ye no edu o wasede bia o de ma otumfo Yakopon ase na owura afefo no enti no ye rem sam mo hwemi no omunya ho adwuma omunya ho adwuma na fi no 18th rather of this month no omoba meeting the last meeting to begin the new year until whatever you are
18 right achinachi ya o
28
28
this month
yes
all the reps of Morgan Hanyina no omoba last meeting
that's 2 weeks time
yeah
they say achina 2 weeks
sir
and ramum 2 weeks
that is it na fi dia ende afeno the new instructions be from the holy urban divine laws never no edema wo mo no akoma ye core members then kind of public and the tier it's in same one so kasa wo dia
abagu kakra asofo ni bi befa nom da yo mo ene
pa obo hwe memenda and anadwo
nom da ye nsore kwesi
yes and when no obi o ti bia no
memenda na bi enyi bi ko ye o se bi mo de prepare omo
memenda wia no 2 o'clock na omo yi no no mo de omo no super and night no mo yi no yeah Sunday then omo aso dem to omo ya record the 2 on Yo, minimum some be koyam say dey obama amanfo bem kakra.
Na dey o me bam.
Amefre.
Ka say maka say be community di no a. Na me jam ba message kakra.
Sa. And then opening akasa offer. Aka bibia, na dey me den say. O kasa no dey ba ene modern.
No jam modern man.
Yeah. Yale ya ba ya amanfo come asem no. O say kweku ye ntwe ansa. And name of compile go on na me hu ne yadom say papa yi
sababa da bi
ya famra so ko tan me famma obama Ghana fo hu say ya le e ba kwa e che we say kwampo no di o be ba information so we na ba mu so no de di wona ya ba no mo hu mo to rem
ya bi fo edi o
ono to wori ya me say me hu
edi o yen ko pe bon bi mu nse
ya le aba ya manfo so no
bi sai bi ho de men
information about anyway
mi nyama nkani ndi o
heaven
kokuma kam
heaven aba heaven mi sa ya enti no o ye say yen twen ne mo ye ma Ghana fo enhunu Bible no Pharisee Sadducee na scribes na fe fa wen twen na Hebrew for the insuro so say guidelines no na mokwan mu ene niema abubu kwama ye hodwuma no yawo u follow a ebeboa in the sa program no ye ba be na hase na ye hunu ya le aba twam no mo sha se mo manipulate niema we see ene de ebeba asa for ye fo kutukutu free ya say
say ma true challenge bi ama ya sofo na D4 no bezo aso ye D4 ampa na obofo ana say obo ade na do ye adwuma a wotene no o de be register be D4 competition ye chichire wani ne de nipa be gira ho sa nipa so so hu ade o ti asem boni din ka bi ofiri na fe de won hu bi aka na wi ensa ne woni na wa so di ntwa no aka na kura
omo ma so na interview omo omo ma ya jai ya
omo
Pharisee for Roma for no fe kan omo establish say na me ensa we ta to me ensa we say na yan kwala no e ka say Pharisee a no bi o yo bono for obi o be for obi o ya anyen no Pharisee so ma me ka me kire me na me stop bon
how Pharisee
o say ya Pharisee na abi pa enti me hu say Roman kingdom no ya engu yo Roman kingdom na 2000 years and I was at time no and the ho but a day for a scene no and they change so oba pa no ho a ni suban and the day there ekura no
sa honam na asesa
honam no onya new house sana for a scene no apakoye obi dem say omo ye busunyeko mo Israel so for kan ye no sana omo ye nkofo bi a Roma for that time no etintim ye say enne Ghana for yenya ne ye ho no na ye wo Sir Charles Makati e wo hanom no ye governor ana abuche hima ede ne mra ama no so onye careful say do not tip Buckingham Palace for them na ma Sir Charles Makati no on fangade ye ebi na course was at time no
okay
into philosophy for question go fu bi say on no chekire emra mu amene patie ade ye adwuma
okay
school abako curriculum amre ye adwuma nyina no philosophy no o mo chekire even court bro for ya odame kodua o kan ha say no o kan court a e be jelu for anameboa your bro for court wo mo a o kan abonten a enye
ye ntia
say ene wa enisi wa so a ye kan abonten ye kan court ho no mo entino so do court say o mo hye o mo eche no a na broni go no hye o mo a ono wote my lord no say ase ba be fi
your honor
lord when I say yes you say for me say exhibit ya kan we o wa kira o hu ni ye
exhibit wa
and so no lawyer ba kasa kwampa o nse gu wachi wa hye the court no konkon because they interpret the law to you you know Roman forum was yes amla no and the Roman kingdom and change
okay
the same three segments you know and then our no no
okay
for a C4 Sadusi4 and then Atwerefo no and then education religion and the media and they control the minds of the people today like you we dey remember 2 weeks time media
so is it Eastern mo Afghanistan no
there you are
mama Afghanistan
na wona ko be yiro ko sibia be chere media for
say nyam na mekan
ade a moje de Ghana ha sei
nyam na mekan we are say ye do akoko to we do us
so entino ana areho education edinipa e kwa manimu papa
yes
na so one go school ni bia so won kan ho okubi so a eniama ye de kire wo no yawo emwa
okay
since I did education man African for hwe first na you say sixth form aboche da wo ho I was ha say no o matwam
by level
you see I say ye twam adentia the so-called the powerful education people, you know, they control what we have to learn, what we shouldn't learn.
GC.
Offer your program, no, I say. Only about a time. Mr. I feel. I'm more Bobby Alice Bailey. Because you not cheaper. Near Tidinida. Helena Petrovna Vrabaski more time. And the best Santa more time. So omo the education be ba omo the ba the bia ba say adwamammo abosomsam ebe toshe o school
adwamane de sia de gene ho ntra ha
yeah
chia omo tase ne say you got to
na de bia no menene nam na Mr. Dino o kan sem bia enfeli
okay
o kan sem bia enfeli or can we information? Oh, book no here no. What's your book na chi?
Book na Hana go say adie bi na
27 years.
5 cities.
No, 5 cities. 27 years.
Now first who come na book na then come out of Western civilization.
Yeah, well, excellent.
So ko na hu na fa
na. Only maybe. Or we be a automatic transit. On the library. The phones in the home.
Okay.
Or concentrate. That's day. What's going to suspect in the bar. My menu. The baby bar in your daji on the 12 beside me.
Yes. Isi akwese Elijah na Elisha nam no. Elijah ye busa Elijah ba de na pedami ye mawa. Mi hwo Elijah mi.
Hwe susu konkro.
Mi hwo susu konkro. Mi hwo Elijah mi hwe twere konkro.
Mami bo London na nama chiawo abagana.
Ojo so.
O si Israel. Na den, sa den say. Apo ko mi fe don fa. So our library. Sabre. Ogusu se there. Na ure dey na hanu. It's our library. The phone sitting there.
Yes.
I say, hey, Papa, I say yes. And you know, so the information about that, so because be a di agura.
Samato.
You be play down. Yeah, education and then ya somewhere you come for education na po Minister of Education. Would dey any more no. Yeah, I'm a boy you.
Okay.
Shade. Your friend. You want to for people say UNESCO.
Yes.
UNESCO no e wo you and more and na ehwe ewiase education nyina so. Enti Minister of Education organ ha say omo share UNESCO for ase.
Okay.
Good. Enti no ewiase curriculum a yaw ye dey ba mfa we nko African. Mfa we say mfa some fansha before the African yaw omo na dey share no mo dey ba.
Okay.
Obi to go school say you know me? Do you know who I am? Who goes here? No, at office not depend on the reality. Education. The idea was some nitromono, no, you won't do.
Sir.
And then, Kaluko of them by yes, no, if you know what J, nobody are praying, bebois.
Yes.
Oba, I'll go school. Or the homework to be bar, ya what we show homework out of anything. No, I shall connect me. Not a work, no. Now we're required to me. I say, make it if we say, because I'm a catch them. Didn't I coffee? Didn't I change collide? Ancient. Nadiaba. Do you more canon, the more channel, ya, and a year, Juma. Until me sample, no. UNESCO. I will control a USA education, no. The best of first video.
Okay. You go have first
video, yes.
Okay.
Until the video no one, that's what trust.
Okay. UNESCO. What it two of you know, you shall be also. That's UNESCO a 10 of your pema hand crowd be a 9 crore 1949. About time say, sir, I will phone sooner a once you shall so no. Or mu yiri nyina afiri ho. Na wi ase nyina no, yetimenya one culture, e de better team man. Ye de ne ase entungu. Nti na akoda kotikam na pani ba na osole papa trance no. Yesi there.
And here you. Thank you.
Say ya to agu.
Thank you.
One.
Good.
Yesi there bi na akoda to na pani gina ho.
Good.
To kwa se nyina ye twa ticket.
Yes.
Ba kono no. Akoda nka akani ye ko minyami hira pa ya ka kire me nyansa yo. Mi de di agro se sanda. Go se di pa no kutanye ma pe no agina de koja no. Udukura na ma important kwa so ma no ho. Then so ene de oso nyema no se sere no. Afa no ntimi nyema no sere. Ka wu twam kura na se pani gina vuo so wa no akwaje no ho. Ni nyina hwa. True education ye flow. Na abrofesam no ndi akate. Afa
the okay African education.
Very good. Yeah, no.
That is it.
But now so we one world culture in
1949.
What be ye did in
no create UNESCO. Say emra say you and mu. You control area education. It's no more thinking about the global. It's okay. Na e wa ha. Broni krom no. Akola tun ka kire pani say you motherfucker. Na penny the table chi. But here, now this is how I say. Thank you. UNESCO buy, you know. Say UNESCO no buy. Say it may shape the thinking of the people.
Yes.
In the market on the dead, no matter say UNESCO no. No, but don't say we are no educational no. Yaw, and the air possible. And when you know, the echo you say. Couldn't believe say, Shadia. Omaya say almost say. I was say a dear sex.
Yeah. Hey, you know I can't say
yes, some ye tree.
Asante.
A year common. I was school some.
Yes.
Couldn't believe say teacher ni it me in a Burma a share aquala and
say teacher ni dear.
Oria or the Shakwana say 3 years girl. ọma akwana ne nso nyina pie oku akwala no
say training there
African education komusuo
sir
wa boy chi wa dey man this guy need to die
yes
because Bible say boneka tuya enu
sir
but global education alleged it's a court no be efa no kotum kakra
yeah investigation
you see
ade enim na dawo is yeah investigation
money shape the thinking of the people and I can Ghana for say asamu of your kan so memre bi egbo and abem of say omo the new curriculum bi eba Africa yebe ni ye na so no Ghana for hu say papa ya hwan oni MP no nya ndi sini no mo ko so for political suit today a ebe friend
sir
and not transfer say round table but innocent man ntrasam no yemfa dakoro memo video ebla ye call parliament any old MPs no na adwuma hwe me say oh ade da ho na all brief MPs no ma ye din sabna be pass bill bi plant breeders right bill
yes
o tun pass sa meeting no ya na ko memo we play o TV so amafo nyina hwe secret meeting and former MPs no ekoko ye ko fika dem one more time no I had the video na ade ya me say ya ebi asay ebi so opa penny na MPC na tetifo so mai say no wutie lectures ebe sin ne sabe no omutumi pass ebe sin ne we have such a great man you can't say bia efeli hwe can say one education omode ba no omode ba be start wo enkwala sa new curriculum no Africa yo ehumu kure nnie
yes
oba mu hemi nyina ma hwe program ni bi nyina ni say dey kele kure new age indoctrination of the 10 commandments of rebellion this the book no kwa HLB good
Adam library
good more than 1 year ni o more than 1 year ni and ato awa ha say
single 44
mo sori a na mo dwoma num
afa too sure ato
ha
ene kutwa
yaw me say ato hwade we 2020 second March yeah
this year ma
yes. Common core curriculum
daily graphic 2nd March 2020 okay stakeholders fine tune common core curriculum
yeah video
okay right yanko na atifia sama eba daily graphic kratafa na toso okay ya tell you hona kwa ya de Deputy Education Minister for Unida, Dr. Yao Oseduchum. I say stakeholders fine tune common core curriculum. Never show video and only a video a torso know your enemy part 65 the word core curriculum. Yanko na yanko share emra tiawape ansa na ye hwe no man for the message be young and they shall be yours forever of a new
yeah
to mo de share feeling kwada nim
yes
inti de bane de chomo a se enkokrafo na de free system ni mo na nkwara na de yini na de yini na ko matimi achieve o inti said ye beja ombota an betima bam na sa global citizenship no moka with one word culture no matimi achieve no that is why the introduction of this new curriculum
that is it
decide ye mri bi e beto dwase e be kire nkra no sex de be de be ya tweka no mbo be samba
ya be yedwuma
e be for control
sa me say I start me be kura yedwuma
okay
enu nte ye ka say asoma ye ka no Ghana fo ntie ne ye o go so over last year na papa ibe ka say book ko dey say nke nton na amafo say no ibe here na ye say obi anya bi hwe ofo ka say ma me na say ma no be wi no o say oba le fence Alice Bailey ono train sa Robert Muller no na ma me de yan kana sam de sia ye time ntie no na ya wade am ye no say the small girl school ko no omo di na omo bobo mpaye no peja nsa no say baruka tab yahwa aruhelu malaika lama no say hey
ade na okay
kucha no
o kala tia na
no fa say kasa na aka no so o ka Hebrew o de bom mpaye ya twe no ade ko gina headmaster nim e man won say so bo sampa ni bi mu a school ni begin free
ye
yes ye shape madwene e wo new curriculum o de Hebrew na ba
Yeah, show Yamia, Yamia, Panyamo, Concro can.
Who the Hebrew
Can Bataka, Rika, Deva, and Deva.
Oh, my Hebrew animal. Sana ya kan book we say mu last year. Say munyi nyame.
Yes.
Efiri kola adwunu mu meboa. Thank you. Hwe we ato.
Okay.
Makono ye first pink sheet.
Where Singer 4?
Thank you.
Part 2. Pink sheet.
Yes.
Exhibit 1. Okay.
Where's the second pink sheet? Open can over last year. At 2020. Ewo Ghana people demographic.
Exhibit 3.
Yeah, you soon kwala no.
Implement new primary school curriculum from 2020 to 2021 academic year.
What it?
Okay.
Primary school. You know, ya fatu wona fetie Alizbeli wie na manu asi. Edoso ya o. Se ka me pon. Ya kira ha we si ni esi di turumu. E wa ha sei.
Kafre ko.
Yes. Education.
Turumu.
E wa ha sei. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, obi o he mi bia ya obatan bia no. Se be yi a.
Mama ja school.
Fanim die bi fa birthday oba no.
Yes.
School name an nko. Be fanim die bi say ya say adwene ya o. Why is no dos no? Etumi contain nim die bi opa bia.
Yes.
For kan homa no. Now if you depend on the teacher for
Some
baby friend say you right. School dey biem. Ya won say na school for man no. E won mo no.
Nkolano.
Yes. Afani. Every woman school be nkolano ya nkolano mo ya man no. Enye me man no. Ya mo press mo no.
Omunyo ntimi nyomo mensi so.
Mama nka ho.
Ye twitwa
man no kwa me say ya something is going wrong. But omo tie de, omo tie yen. Now we thank the creator say, you know a dom mo a omo tie program we say a omo dey guide wo mo life. Hwe mama kan say mo say. Me wi na ma no SC Alizbeli Aaron Cherry Robert Muller.
Yes.
Muller no the master of the Lord of Education UNESCO. O can say what say.
New age strategy. Alizbeli said, when you are changing a nation, don't bother with the old people. They are too stuck in the old traditions. They will not change, but go for the children. And that is what she did. She said, go for the children, especially 10 years and below.
What's it?
At the end of Banom, someone actually age group.
Yes. Who we are last born?
Since 1945, that is any person below 60 years can be a victim of the ideas and the deceptions of this prophetess of the new age. She then created this 10-point charter that is placed in the House of Lords, House of Commons in the UK.
What's it?
Today, our government and many politicians are implementing the strategy. Strategies, American education system.
Yeah, oh, Mukui, we see Obian Toby. Out of my short way. It's time for some Ababium. So, Obatambia and Toby, and let me guide them on the 10th commandment of rebellion, Alizbeli, education. Papa, can you, I for feeling bum. What's what I would say? Was off for Imam.
Bonsambompaye.
Bonsambompaye. Power of a phone call, yellow for. Do you want to me from Anunsi? Sharia at all?
What you need to know about the new pre-tertiary curriculum from kindergarten to primary 6.
What's it? Manusi.
Crusading Guide.
Crusading Guide.
Wednesday, 4th September 2019.
And we kind of last year, over 1 year ago, I started.
Right, Abushamba be adrono ye jai dwuma de ne de amamo ahwefo mo so motumi afre na amaba ne de amamo bre nti free sabre ekono aye